Saheld SaaS multi-vendor e-commerce marketplace like Amazon. Have you ever wondered how to build your own production e-commerce marketplace like Amazon? Imagine your own e-commerce platform that works just like Amazon, where sellers can easily set up their stores and start selling, and you'll receive a commission for every sale made by any seller. It's a complete, responsive, dynamic, and multi-vendor e-commerce marketplace like Amazon, built with the latest cutting-edge technologies. It has an easy-to-use backend admin panel where the administrator, admin, will be given complete access to control everything dynamically. You will get a fully functional and profitable e-commerce marketplace application to start making big money online. With this powerful e-commerce application, your vendors can sell both digital and physical products. This script is created for companies, startups, small businesses, and entrepreneurs who want to do business seriously using a powerful and successful e-commerce SaaS model. Key features: ready all-in-one e-commerce platform that support both digital and physical products, clean and user-friendly front-end website, powerful, dynamic, and secured back-end administration system, awesome and user-friendly dashboard, easy sellers and clients management, automated commission system, integrated payment gateways like PayPal and Stripe, implemented SSL security, live chat support for vendors, actionable key analytics and insights, make data-driven decisions about your business, track your commissions in real time, gain real-time visibility into your vendor sales, stores management module, categories management module, products management module, orders management module, sellers management module, clients management module, sales management module, stocks management module, users management module, statistics reporting module. Take advantage of this fair offer and order now before the price rise up.